Hi, for today's video I want to show you a feature called Windows Aero Shake that's been around for a while, but it appears that very many people don't know about it. If you're like me, you'll have lots of windows open at any one time. You can see here I've got my browser, I've got some system settings, I've got Word, I've got Excel. Let's say you've got lots of windows open and you just want to have one window open so you can focus just on that one. All you need to do is take your mouse and point it to the title bar, click and hold, and then just give the mouse a wee shake and all the other windows will close down. If you want to bring the windows back, do the same again, click on the title bar and press hold and shake. Let's do that with another window, so Excel, click and hold on the title bar and give a wee shake. And the same again, click and hold and shake. Very useful feature. If you enjoyed this video and find it useful, we'd be delighted if you'd share it with others.